Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In this video, we are going to discuss about inheritance. In the previous video, I discussed about class and objects. Make sure you watch that video and come to this video. The link of that video is in description below and above iCard. Please check it out. That is Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming. We see inheritance in our day-to-day lives. Generally, in our society, there's a parent-child relation, right? Whatever belong to your parents belong to you. For example, your parents' house or your parents' some properties like that. Okay. The same thing we are going to apply in Python. That is inheritance. Before getting to the topic, a small request for you friends. If you learn something from this video, please support me. Please hit the red subscribe button and activate the bell icon to get notifications. Get into the video. See the agenda: inheritance, multiple inheritance, multilevel inheritance. In Python, inheritance is a process of defining a class that inherits all the functionalities of another class. The class which is inherited is called parent class or superclass or base class. And the class which inherits is called child class or subclass or derived class. Now I'll give you example, then you are clear with this concept. So I take a class. My class name is person, person1, okay? And inside this, I'm not going to take any variables. I simply take a method, okay? For example, the person have a call that is Lamborghini call, okay? Call, and we have to give self, right? Self, okay? And you print, I have Lamborghini with me. Lamborghini, one of my favorite car, okay? Now I create another class, and this time person. So now here I create a method. For example, this person have a bike, so I create bike, okay? And print this my bike. Here there is two classes, person1 and person2. To perform inheritance in Python, it is very simple. For example, now I'll show you. The person2 class is going to inherit person1. Give round brackets, and inside round brackets we have to give superclass, from which class we are going to inherit. So here my superclass is person1. Okay, that's it. The inheritance is performed. Now I create object for person2. So p2 is equal to person2. Now with p2 dot, see here it's showing recommendations. It's showing car and bike both. With p2 we can call the method bike which is inside person2, and also we can call the method which is not inside person2, which is inside person1 class, with the parent childhood that is belong to person2 also, right? So we can call car. See, now I run my code. See here, I have Lamborghini with me. Now Lamborghini is belong to person2 also, because person1 is a superclass, that is parent class, and person2 is a child class. This is what inheritance is. Next, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is when a derived class, that is subclass, inherits either derived class. Like this, see this diagram. Here, the class C is derived from class B and the class B is derived from class A. This is multi-level inheritance. I'll give you example. I'll take a simple example. A class name A. Inside the class, I take a method. For example, method M1. I have to give self. Inside method M1, this is method 1 in class A. Next, I take another class. Simply I copy this. I'm too lazy, and I paste here and change class A to class B and method m1 to m2, and I change here class B, right? And I take another class. Okay, this time I change class A to class C, so 3, and here class C. See here, now I make class B is child class of class A. Simple round brackets, and inside this give superclass. I give A. Now class B is child class of class A, and I'll make class C as child class of class B. So I give round brackets, and inside this I give B. That's it. This is multi-level inheritance. Now I create object for class C. Is C1 is equal to. Now I call C1 dot. See here it show M1, M2, M3. Now with the object of class C, I can call any method I want. This is like child, father, and grandfather. See like so we can call any method we want. So I print M1. Okay, I run this code. See this is method 1 in class A. I give M2 now. I run this. See this is method 2 in class B. I give M3. This is method 3 in class C. This is multi-level inheritance. Next, multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is when a class is derived from more than one class. That is, one child class or more than one superclass. See the diagram? See in this case, the class C is derived from class A and class B. So for class C, the class A and class B both are the superclasses. See here, I'll show you the example. Here for this same example, now I'll change this to multiple inheritance. So now I'll go this. This is class A and this is class B, and I'll make class C as child class for both class A and class B. So to make this very simple, Python is a simple language, simple to learn, simple to use. So A and comma B. That's it. Now class C is child class for both class A and class B. Now as usually I create object for class C. Okay, and C1 dot the recommendations we can call M1, M2, M3. M1, see this is a method 1 in class A, but the difference is now with the class B object, for example if I create an object for class B, see here I create an object for class B, B1 dot, see here. Now with B1, with object of class B, we can call only M2, method 2 only. This is multiple inheritance. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching.